Hi, if you want to change wallpapers on the iPhone 16, then open Settings. Here go in the Wallpaper section and you'll be able to change your current wallpaper to customize the previous one, or you can use this option to add new one. So if you select it, you'll see many options for your wallpapers. You can also just swipe left or right to see each of them. And if you liked something, you just need to tap on it to select. And now you can also swipe between styles. So just swipe left or right and choose which style you like the most. Let's leave this dynamic one. Now we can also change the font and color here. We can change this upper panel and switch to the calendar. And here we can also replace the flashlight controller to the translate, for example. And now when you want to save the changes, you just need to tap this add button. And here we'll have two options, set as wallpaper pair or customize home screen. If you select home screen customize, you just need to choose any other wallpaper for your home screen. So you can tap on the photos here and choose a photo from your gallery as well. And here you can also change the style. So to save the changes, don't forget to tap the done button and then tap it again. And here is your new wallpaper for the homepage and for the lock screen. And also, as for additional option, you can just press and hold the lock screen. And after that, you will need to enter the password and you'll see this edit mode. So here you can check this customize button and do just the same thing without going to the settings. And that's it, how it works. I hope this video helped and thank you for watching.